Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have x known 5 plus 4th root of 3 plus 4th root of 2 whole power 4 over 5 plus 4th root of 3 minus 4th root of 2 whole power 4. Then we have to evaluate expression square root x plus 1 over square root x minus 1. Let's say this required expression is E. Now I will write our x as 5 we can split 3 plus 2. Then we have 4th root of 3 plus 4th root of 2 whole power 4. Similarly in the denominator we can split 5 as 3 plus 2 again plus 4th root of 3 minus 4th root of 2 whole power is 4. Can we write 3 as 4th root of 3 whole power 4? Can we write 2 as 4th root of 2 whole power 4? Then we have 4th root of 3 plus 4th root of 2 whole power 4 over 4th root of 3 whole power 4, which is 3, plus 4th root of 2 whole power 4, which is 2, plus 4th root of 3 minus 4th root of 2 whole power 4. Now we can assume 4th root of 3. 4th root of 3 is A and 4th root of 2 is B. So I can write x will be equal to A power 4 plus B power 4 plus A plus B whole power 4 in the numerator. In the denominator, A power 4 plus B power 4 plus A minus B whole power 4. Now we will simplify our numerator and denominator separately. Let me write x here. Numerator will be n, denominator will be d. So we will write numerator as n and denominator is capital D. Now we have to simplify n first. N will be equal to A power 4 plus B power 4 plus A plus B whole power 4. Now we will use binomial expansion for A plus B whole power 4. So we can write A power 4 plus B power 4 plus, we will write A power 4 plus 4A cube B plus 6A square B square plus 4AB cube plus B power 4. Now you can see A power 4, A power 4, B power 4, B power 4. So we can take 2 common out. In the bracket we will write A power 4 plus B power 4 plus, I will write 3A square B square. Then I will write 2AB cube. Then I will write 2A cube B. Now we will split 3A square B square as A square B square plus 2A square B square. Let's write. In the bracket we will write A power 4 plus B power 4 plus A square B square plus 2A square B square. Then we have 2AB cube. Then we have 2A cube B. Now we will write 2 times A power 4. We can write this is A square whole square. B power 4. b square whole square. A square b square is ab whole square. Then 2a square b square. We will write 2 times a square times b square plus 2ab cube. We will write 2b square times ab. This is 2ab cube. And 2a cube b we will write plus 2 times ab times a square. Now this is one algebraic formula. If I will write here a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So in the bracket we can write a square plus b square plus ab whole square. So numerator n will become 2 times, in the bracket it was a square plus b square plus ab whole square. This is our numerator. Now we will simplify denominator. Denominator was a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a minus b whole power 4. Let us use binomial expansion. A power 4 plus b power 4 will be as it is. Now we will write a power 4 then minus a cube b plus 6a square b square minus 4ab cube. Then we will write plus b power 4. Again 2 is common from the numerator. We will take 2 common out. In the bracket we can write a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 3a square b square minus 2ab cube minus 2a cube b. Again we will split 3a square b square as a square b square plus 2 times a square b square. Let's write a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a square b square plus 2a square b square. Then we will write minus 2ab cube minus 2a cube b. This will be equal to 2 times. Similarly, we will write a power 4 as a square whole square. B power 4 will be b square whole square. A square b square we can write minus ab whole square, which will give us plus a square b square. Then we will write 2ab terms. So 2 times a square times b square, which is 2a square b square. Then we will write plus 2 times b square times minus ab, which will give us minus 2ab cube plus 2 times minus ab times a square, which will give us minus 2a cube b. Now this is again one perfect square. This time it is a square plus b square minus ab whole square. Let me write here. Denominator equal to 2 times a square plus b square minus ab whole square. Now we will write x equal to numerator n over denominator d. This will be equal to 2 times a square plus b square plus ab whole square. This was our numerator, and denominator is 2 times a square plus b square minus ab whole square. Now 2 and 2 will be over, and we can write x will be equal to a square plus b square plus ab over a square plus b square minus ab whole square. Now we will consider square root both sides. So we can write square root x will be equal to a square plus b square plus ab over a square plus b square minus ab. Now our required expression is here. So I will add 1 and subtract 1 to both sides. Let me write here the value of square root x first. Here it is. Now we will add 1 and subtract 1 to both sides. So I will write the square root x plus 1 to LHS. So in the RHS we will add 1 a square plus b square plus ab over a square plus b square minus ab plus 1. So I will take LCM. We will get denominator a square plus b square minus ab. In numerator, plus and minus ab will be over. So we will get 2 times a square plus b square. Now we will subtract 1 to both sides. We will get square root x minus 1. This will be equal to a square plus b square plus ab over a square plus b square minus ab minus 1. So if I will simplify, we will write our denominator a square plus b square minus ab, and this time we will add ab and ab. So we will get 2 times ab. So value will become 2ab over a square plus b square minus ab. Let's say this is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. Now as per required expression, I will divide equation 1 from equation 2. So a square plus b square minus ab, denominator will be cancelled out. We will get 2 times a square plus b square over 2ab. Let me write 1 divided by 2. So root x plus 1 over root x minus 1 will be equal to 2 times in the bracket a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square minus ab in the numerator, and in the denominator we will write 2 times ab divided by a square plus b square minus ab. Now we will cancel these two terms. 2 and 2 will be over. We will get our required expression E equal to. So I will write a square plus b square over ab. This is our required expression E. Now a was 4th root of 3. B was 4th root of 2. So we can write a square will be 4th root of 9 and b square will be 4th root of 4. Let us write E will be equal to 4th root of 9 plus 4th root of 4 over 4th root of A is 4th root of 3 times 4th root of 2. This is B. So we can write 4th root of 9 in the numerator plus 4th root of 4 over 4th root of 6. Now we have to simplify a bit. We will write 4th root of 9 over 6 plus 4th root of 4 over 6. This will give us 4th root of 3 over 2 plus 4th root of 2 over 3. Now we can rationalize our denominator. So I will multiply here with 8. So that denominator will be 16 and 4th root of 16 is 2. Here also multiply with 8. Now denominator is 4th root of 3. So we need to multiply by 27 here in the numerator also. Now 2 times 8 is 16. 4th root of 16 is 2. 3 times 27 is 81. 4th root of 81 is 3. So we can write our final answer as 4th root of 24 over 2 plus 4th root of 54 over 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.